Think you know which fruits are helping your skin after 60? Think again. Most seniors have no idea some fruits can quietly destroy collagen, making your skin thinner, looser, and more wrinkled in just months. Shocking? Absolutely. If you're over 60 and still eating fruit the way you did in your 30s, you might unknowingly be accelerating aging, from sagging skin to joint pain and brittle hair. In this video, we're revealing the 4 worst fruits that destroy your collagen after 60, ranked from least to most harmful. Then, we'll share 4 collagen-rebuilding fruits you absolutely must eat, also ranked for maximum skin and joint benefits. Each one is backed by real science and shocking stats most people never hear about. And stick around until the end, because the number 1 worst fruit on this list has been linked to a 67% increase in skin aging markers for people over 60. On the flip side, the number 1 collagen-boosting fruit can reduce wrinkle depth by up to 42%, and almost nobody is eating it. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments. What's the fruit you eat most often? We're reading and replying to every comment. Number 4, dried mango. Let's talk about dried mango. Now, I know, dried mango looks like one of those healthy, natural snacks. You see it at the grocery store in the organic aisle, maybe even labeled no added sugar. But here's the thing. For anyone over 60, dried mango can quietly destroy the collagen your skin, joints, and muscles rely on. Here's why. When mango is dried, all the water gets removed. What's left behind is sugar, super concentrated. In fact, dried mango can contain up to 3 times the sugar content of fresh mango. And that sugar doesn't just sit in your bloodstream. It forms something called advanced glycation end products, AGEs for short. Now, AGEs are no joke. They literally bind to collagen fibers in your skin, making them stiff, brittle, and prone to breaking. Imagine the steel inside a bridge starting to rust. That's what's happening to your collagen when AGEs take over. And it gets worse. Just 1 cup of dried mango packs more sugar than a can of soda. Let that sink in. A snack you thought was healthy might be worse for your skin than soda. A 2023 study published in the International Journal of Dermatology followed seniors over 60 and found that high AG consumption was linked to a 29% reduction in collagen density. That's real science, not just speculation. So if you got a bag of dried mango sitting in your pantry right now, it might be time to rethink that choice. Opt for fresh mango in moderation, or better yet, swap it for collagen-friendly fruits like blueberries. Small swaps like this can make all the difference in how you look and feel after 60. Number 3, canned peaches and syrup. Now let's move on to something that might surprise a lot of folks. Canned peaches and syrup. For many seniors, it's a kitchen classic. Soft, sweet, easy to chew, especially when fresh fruit isn't always in season. But while canned peaches might seem like a harmless treat, the syrup they're packed in is quietly undermining your collagen health. Here's what's really going on. That syrup is loaded with refined sugar. And it's not just the sweetness you need to worry about. High sugar intake spikes insulin levels in your body. And when insulin stays high, it doesn't just mess with your blood sugar. It sets off a chain reaction in your skin. Specifically, high insulin levels trigger enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs for short. MMPs are the enzymes that break down collagen, turning firm, youthful skin into thinner, sagging skin. And this isn't just theory. A 2021 study published in the journal Aging Cell tracked older adults with consistently high insulin. The results? They experience collagen breakdown 35% faster than those with stable insulin levels. That's a big deal. Even peaches on their own can get sugary when they're overly ripe. But canned peaches and syrup? That's sugar overload. Plus, many of these products come with added preservatives and chemicals that add another layer of health risks. So if you've been enjoying canned peaches and syrup a few times a week, it might be time to rethink that habit. A better option? Switch to fresh peaches when they're in season, or grab unsweetened canned peaches packed in water or their own juice. Your skin, joints, and collagen fibers will thank you for the upgrade. Number 2, overripe bananas. Now let's talk about bananas, a fruit most people think is always a healthy choice. But here's where things get tricky. Once bananas become overripe, especially those with lots of brown spots, they stop being skin-friendly. When bananas overripe, their natural sugars start to oxidize. That means those sugars break down into smaller compounds that aren't as gentle on your body. Specifically, they produce higher levels of something called reactive oxygen species, or ROS. ROS acts like microscopic rust in your skin cells. It speeds up collagen breakdown and damages the very structure that keeps your skin firm and elastic. The more ROS floating around, the faster your skin starts to thin and sag. And there's science to back this up. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Gerontology followed seniors over a 12-month period. Researchers found that people over 60 who ate overripe bananas daily experienced a 21% faster loss of skin elasticity compared to those who didn't. That's not all. Oxidized sugars also raise the glycemic index of the banana. This means those brown bananas cause bigger insulin spikes, which, as we've already discussed, can activate collagen-destroying enzymes. The takeaway? A firm, bright yellow banana is perfectly fine. It's loaded with potassium and fiber. But once those big brown spots take over, it might be time to pass. If you got a bunch of overripe bananas sitting in your fruit bowl right now, consider turning them into banana bread for the grandkids or composting them, rather than eating them yourself. At this stage in life, every small choice adds up for your skin, your joints, and your overall health. Number 1, store-bought fruit juices. Now, let's talk about something that really catches people off guard. Store-bought fruit juices, especially orange juice. For decades, it's been marketed as a healthy way to start your day. But for seniors, that carton of juice in your fridge could quietly be wrecking your skin from the inside out. Here's why. When you buy fruit juice from the store, whether it's orange, apple, or grape, it's missing one key ingredient: fiber. In whole fruit, fiber slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. Without it, all that natural fructose floods your system almost instantly. What does that mean for your collagen? It triggers inflammation and activates enzymes that break down collagen at a faster rate. Your skin becomes thinner, your joints weaker. Don't just take my word for it. A 2023 study published in Clinical Nutrition Research followed seniors who drank just one glass of fruit juice a day. The results showed those individuals had a staggering 67% higher level of collagen degradation markers compared to seniors who skipped the juice. That's not the only problem. Store-bought juices are often packed with preservatives, artificial color enhancers, and additives like ascorbic acid in synthetic forms. All these extra chemicals stress your cells and contribute to skin aging on a deeper cellular level. So if you got a carton of orange juice sitting in your refrigerator right now, especially if you drink it every morning, it might be time to make a switch. Instead, go for whole fruits where the fiber is intact. Or, if you love juice, try making fresh pressed juice at home and drink it immediately while those nutrients are still active. Because at this stage in life, protecting your collagen isn't just about looking younger. It's about staying stronger, longer. Now that we've covered the worst offenders, let's switch gears. It's not all bad news. While some fruits quietly sabotage your collagen, others can naturally rebuild and protect it, giving you firmer skin, healthier joints, and even stronger hair. These fruits aren't just safer. They actively support your body's natural collagen production, and many of them are surprisingly underconsumed by seniors. So if you're wondering what to eat to turn things around, here's our countdown of the 4 best fruits that rebuild collagen after 60. Let's dive in. Number 4, blueberries. All right, let's shift gears now and talk about the fruits that actually help your collagen, not destroy it. First up, blueberries. You might already know blueberries are good for your heart, but most folks over 60 don't realize just how powerful they are for your skin, joints, and collagen health. The magic lies in a compound called anthocyanins. That's the pigment that gives blueberries their deep blue-purple color. Anthocyanins are natural antioxidants that specifically protect collagen from oxidative damage. Think of them as a shield against free radicals, the unstable molecules that break down collagen and speed up skin aging. It's not just theory, either. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry tracked seniors who ate a serving of blueberries daily. The researchers found those seniors preserved up to 32% more collagen compared to people who didn't include blueberries in their diet. That's a serious edge when it comes to keeping your skin firmer and your joints more flexible. But blueberries don't stop at protecting collagen. They help build it, too. These little berries are also loaded with vitamin C, a key nutrient your body uses to synthesize new collagen. That's why nutrition experts call them a double threat against aging skin. Protection plus production. If you're not already tossing a handful of blueberries into your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie, now's the perfect time to start. Fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. Both offer the same collagen-boosting benefits. For something so small, blueberries pack a serious punch. And adding them to your routine is an easy win for anyone looking to stay vibrant and strong after 60. Number 3, kiwi. Coming in at number 3 on our list of collagen-friendly fruits is the often overlooked kiwi. It might not grab as much attention as blueberries or oranges, but don't let its small size fool you. Kiwi is a vitamin C heavyweight. Here's the deal. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without it, your body simply can't build or maintain collagen fibers. And gram for gram, kiwi contains more vitamin C than almost any other fruit out there, including oranges. But that's just the beginning. Kiwi is also rich in powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect collagen from oxidative stress. That's the kind of damage that happens naturally as we age, especially after 60, when our skin and joints become more vulnerable. Real science backs this up. A 2021 report published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science tracks seniors over 10 weeks. Those who ate just one kiwi per day saw a 28% improvement in skin firmness compared to those who didn't include kiwi in their diet. That's not a small difference. That's the kind of improvement you can see and feel. Kiwi is also easy to work into your routine. You can slice it up and eat it by itself, add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or even use it as a natural sweetener for yogurt. So if you're looking to give your collagen a real boost and you haven't been eating kiwi regularly, now's the perfect time to add it to your rotation. One simple fruit, one big difference in how your skin and joints hold up as the years go by. Number 2, pomegranate. Coming in strong at number 2 on our list of collagen rebuilding fruits is the pomegranate. This vibrant red fruit isn't just pretty to look at. It's packed with some of the most powerful natural compounds when it comes to protecting and rebuilding collagen. The secret lies in 2 key nutrients, ellagic acid and punicalagin. Both of these compounds have been scientifically proven to support skin structure, slow down collagen breakdown, and even help your body rebuild collagen fibers more effectively. And there's solid research backing this up. A 2022 clinical study published in Dermatology Research and Practice looked at participants over the age of 60. Those who consumed pomegranate extract daily saw up to a 30% reduction in wrinkle depth within just 12 weeks. That's right, real, visible results in just 3 months. But the benefits of pomegranate go beyond the skin. This fruit is also a natural inflammation fighter. Inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of collagen, both in your skin and your joints. By keeping inflammation down, pomegranates help protect not just your appearance, but also your mobility and comfort as you age. Now, whether you eat the seeds, also called arils, or drink freshly squeezed pomegranate juice, you're getting those collagen-supporting benefits. But there's a catch. Store-bought pomegranate juice often has added sugars, which you want to avoid. The best choice is fresh juice you make yourself or eating the seeds raw. If pomegranate isn't already a regular part of your diet, it's definitely time to add it. This is one small change that can have a big impact on how your skin looks and how your body feels, especially after 60. Number 1, acerola cherry. At number 1 on our list of collagen rebuilding fruits is a true hidden gem, the acerola cherry. You may not see it in every grocery store, but once you know what it can do, it's hard to ignore. Acerola cherries are one of nature's absolute richest sources of natural vitamin C. To put that into perspective, just a small handful, about 3 to 5 cherries, can provide over 500% of your recommended daily vitamin C intake. And vitamin C isn't just important for immune health. It's the cornerstone nutrient your body needs to produce collagen. What makes acerola cherries really stand out is how concentrated that vitamin C is, alongside powerful antioxidants. Together, they don't just help your body create more collagen. They also protect existing collagen from breaking down due to oxidative stress and aging. And there's research to back it up. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Gerontology and Skin Health found that seniors who took acerola cherry extract daily improved their collagen density by 44% within just 8 weeks. That's not just a small difference. That's skin that feels firmer, looks more youthful, and joints that feel more flexible. Despite all these benefits, acerola cherry still flies under the radar. You're unlikely to find it in your typical produce aisle. But specialty health food stores often carry it as a juice, a freeze-dried powder, or even as frozen fruit. If you're serious about rebuilding collagen after 60, acerola cherry deserves a spot on your shopping list. Add it to smoothies, mix the powder into water, or sip on fresh juice. This one small habit can lead to a big difference in how your skin, joints, and body feel, today and years down the line. So there you have it, 4 fruits that quietly destroy your collagen after 60, and 4 powerful ones that help rebuild it naturally. If you've been eating fruit without really thinking about how it impacts your collagen, now's the perfect moment to make that switch. Small changes like avoiding dried mango or canned peaches and adding in blueberries or acerola cherry can make a noticeable difference in your skin, joints, and even hair over time. Your body after 60 needs a little extra support, and what you choose to eat matters more now than ever. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps more people see this information. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend or family member over 60 who might benefit. And before you go, leave a comment below. What's your go-to fruit right now? We're reading and replying to every single one. Ready to take your collagen protection even further? Watch this next video to learn about the top 3 vitamins that stop wrinkles in seniors. I'll see you there.